Hello dear friends, hello dear viewers. I hope you all viewers will be fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Usama Askar Vlogs. Dear friends, dear viewers, in the previous lecture, in the previous video, I had discussed the anatomy, definition of anatomy, difference between basic and clinical anatomy. Now in this video here, in this lecture, I will discuss the descriptive anatomical terms related to the position, terms related to the movement. I hope you will like my video. I hope you will understand my video. Dear friends, dear viewers, before starting my lecture, before starting my topic, first of all, I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Usama Askad Vlogs and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming videos notification. Basically, descriptive anatomical terms, it is important for medical personnel to have a sound knowledge and understanding of the basic anatomic terms. With the aid of a medical dictionary, you will find that understanding anatomic terminology greatly assists you in the learning process. The accurate use of anatomic terms by medical personnel enables them to communicate with their colleagues both nationally and internationally. Without anatomic terms, one cannot accurately discuss or record the abnormal function of joints, the actions of muscles, the alteration of position of organs, or the exact location of swelling or tumors. Terms related to the position are description of the human body are based on the assumption that the person is standing erect with the upper limbs by the sides and the face and palms of the hands directed forward. This is so called the anatomical position. The various parts of the body are then described in relation to certain imaginary phases. Median sagittal plane. This is a vertical plane passing through the center of the body. Dividing it into equal right and left halves. Planes situated to one or the other side of the median plane and parallel to it are termed as paramedian. A structure situated nearer to the median plane of the body, then another is said to be medial to the other. Similarly, a structure that lies further away from the median plane, then another is said to be lateral to the other.
Mama खाती मला पिरा हा हमारी खाती मला पिरा हमारी दाल खातो दालो
Coronal plane,
मम्मा
the plane are imaginary vertical plane at right angle to the medial plane. Horizontal or transverse plane. These planes are right angle to both the median and the coronal plane. The term anterior and posterior are used to indicate the frontal and back of the body respectively. To describe the relationship of two structures, one is said to be anterior or posterior to the other, and so far as it is closer to the anterior or posterior surface. In describing the hand, the terms palmar and dorsal surfaces are used in place of anterior and posterior and are used instead of and in describing the foot, the terms plantar and dorsal surfaces are used instead of lower and upper surfaces. The term proximal and distal describe the relative distance from the roots of the limbs. For example, their arm is proximal to the forearm and the hand is distal to the forearm. So dear friends, dear viewers, this was our today video. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel Usama Askat Vlogs. Please like my video, share it with your friends.